Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you're doing well. It's been a minute. It truly has been a minute. Pardon my eyes, you know, when I first wake up, they're like really small. But anyways, it's been a minute. God, I have so many updates for you. So many updates for you. First of all, you know, school started, so we're here. We out here. This is my apartment. It's chill. It's a chill little spot, you know. It's chill right across from campus, so that's nice. That's nice. I got my longboard here, right here. It's electric, so you know we about that life. We about that life. But no, it's been a minute since I've visited the Datsun Chronicles, and it's just, you know, life just hits you. You know, life just hits you, and you don't know what's going on, and so you just gotta go with it. So I needed a break from literally everything, you know, because I had no idea what was going on in my life. Plus, you know, not much has really happened that I could vlog. So, you know, I actually did come up with a couple of vlogs, but I never really edited them. And instead of actually, you know, editing them and posting them, I'm just gonna give you updates. So, update number one, big update. I got a new engine. Okay, so basically what happened was I took the old engine to the engine shop, the mechanic. They took out the engine, they diagnosed it. Basically what happened was there were rat's nests inside the head, inside the cylinders. The cylinders were like completely closed. It was like some, like, I don't even know, bro, like something dried up and like almost like cement. Like it's almost like cement that just got inside the head, and just, you know, the head, it just got messed up. Okay, so it was just messed up. There's nothing we could do about it. There were rat's nests inside everything. It was nasty. The engine was gone. So at the beginning I wanted to actually, you know, I have matching numbers with the car. You know, I felt like that would get more money as a whole. You know, that's more sought after, but you can't have everything, you know. But I actually did find a website. It's called California Datsun. So if you have a Datsun, go check them out. Really good stuff. Basically, they just got me a new engine. Like, they built me a complete new engine. I'm pretty sure it's refurbished, whatever, but like, they tested it, everything's good, and I don't have to worry about putting trial and error, because the other option was buying an old engine off some random dude and putting it in. But we would not know if it was gonna work or not, so it was like we're taking a little challenge with it. But with this one, we know it's good and everything is perfectly fine. They actually did upgrade me to an E31 cylinder head from the original one. It's a $500 update, but they gave it to me for free just because they said the old one, the original one, didn't pass like California emissions and the tests and whatnot, because this is coming from California Datsun. So they upgraded me, $500 upgrade for free, so that's pretty nice. They said it's gonna be nice. They said I'm gonna enjoy it. So obviously it's a complete brand new engine, right? So there's gonna be a break-in period, 1,000-mile break-in period. Overall, just really exciting stuff. So I am actually picking up that engine right now. Well, I'm gonna leave my house in like 10 minutes in Columbus, and I'm gonna drive to Canton 2 hours, and then we're gonna pick up the engine. We're gonna take that straight to the mechanic, and then on Monday I'm gonna take the car to them, and they're just gonna have their own fun with it. They're gonna do what they gotta do, and next time I see it after I drop it off, the car will be running. Overall, I'm just really excited, really excited. I'll keep you updated. Let's this is what this vlog is right here. It's picking up the engine. You and I, we're gonna see the engine for the first time together. I'm really excited. I don't know about you, but let's get to it. Down there, yeah. Okay, so we got Nick by, we got Xander by, and we are picking up the engine right now. We're at the FedEx Fulfillment Center. You know, a lot of mixed feelings going on right now. You know, this is special. This right here, this is special. We're just gonna see how it goes. You know, we're gonna see how it goes. I'm about to see an engine, and you're gonna see it with me. Let's go check out an engine. The engine? I think this is the engine right here. That's pretty small. L24, full of straight muscle. Fuel inline injected muscle. And we got a free pallet. we're gonna open it. Think about it, you excited to see the engine? Yeah, I'm excited to see it too. The valve cover looks nice. Also, I didn't even notice.
Oh, it's all.
That's pretty lit.
You want to see lit?
That's lit too. Bro, this is very, very clean. Very clean. I'm excited to get this in my car. Yeah. We gotta do the whole braking period. So 1,000 miles.
I've got more if you want. I'm gonna go put these in a bag.
Cool,
so
cool.
I don't want to.
Sounds good, man. Thank you. Yeah, I want to hold this t-shirt for me.
Do you ever see a long dive? So before I do it, it's pretty swiping out on dark.
Oh, that's very nice, bro. That's better than I could have made mine.
It looks legitimately so clean. It looks like plastic. Like the gray parts here.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that is clean. That valve cover is so nice, bro.
Yeah, it's nice.
This valve cover coating is very, very nice. Oh shoot, bro, this is so clean.
It is nice.
It's so clean, bro. I'm so happy with it. You want to check to see if it turns? I might have to test if it turns, you know?
I think it's gonna turn.
Shit, bro. I got a good deal too. Couple scratches, whatever. And that is a wrap on this vlog. Overall, it was just, you know, a quick little update on what has happened so far. What happened with the engine so far, and you know, I took you and I saw the engine together for the first time. Overall, it was pretty cool. I just want to say that that is just a long block, so obviously we'll still need other stuff that hopefully what I have already will work, but more parts will need to be ordered. Obviously, I will still need a new clutch and a new flywheel, but along with the long block came a new valve cover. That being said, that whole episode where I cleaned up this guy right here, yeah, I don't even need this anymore, so I will be selling it. I will be selling this guy right here. I wouldn't say what I did was all for waste, because, you know, it still looks better. You know, I can still sell this one for, you know, a good amount, just because, you know, I cleaned it up, I put work into it, and I made sure it looks nice. So overall it looks nice. I will be putting this online to be sold. Yeah, so that is basically this video. Basically just exactly what I just talked about. It was all about the engine. It was all about the engine, and I will actually be taking the actual car, the Datsun, to the engine shop on the 5th of October, around there, and then they will just, you know, do what has to be done. They still have to weld the floor pans on and whatnot. But along with that, I just want you to keep an eye out for another video that I will be releasing soon. Basically, my cousin was here, and he worked on the reupholstery, because I didn't know what to do, and, you know, he handled it. He handled the reupholstery. Overall, it looks really, really clean. He didn't vlog the entire thing, so I will, you know, update you and brief you on what else he did. But be ready for that vlog. It's a really cool vlog. A lot was done on that one. He put a lot of work into that. So I'm excited for you guys to see how it turned out. That being said, that's the end of this video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Keep an eye out for the next one. I know it's been a minute since I've vlogged, and, you know, I probably won't vlog consistently, but anytime I do get to vlog, I will make sure it's out for you guys. And somebody has to mow their lawn. Anyways, I will catch you guys.